Hey guys, my name is Mariana and welcome back to my channel. This hair is from Soku hair. I'll put their website in the description below. And this is their 18-inch burgundy red goddess river locks. And they come twisted, so you just have to unravel them like this. Pretty easy. And they come that way to keep their shape. So when it's unraveled, it looks like this. And it has the curly ends. And this hair also comes with 6 packs. So it's about 24 locks in each pack. On that website, you can also choose to have 1, 4, 5, or 6 packs of hair. I have 6 packs and it's about $40. The hair also comes with a crochet hook and some nice hair jewelry. So we have some beads in there, some shells, and some other normal hair jewelry. And I will be crocheting the hair onto individual braids. I've already braided my hair and I have about 71 braids. So guys, I'm about halfway done and this is what the hair is looking like. And so the hair is really soft, but one thing about that is it easily unravels, and the pre-loops for the hair, they're really big. Like that. They can stretch really far and they're a little loose. So I'm thinking the best way to crochet this style isn't the way that I'm crocheting it. Instead, it would be like to braid your hair in straight backs or whatever and crochet it that way, just because the loops are so big and it's easy to tangle the hair. And so the way that I'm crocheting it, I am putting the braid inside the lock and, you know, just making it easier to frizz it up or mess it up. Because look, see how easy it is to just pull it apart. Now I'm going to show you an example of how I've been doing the hair. So I take the braid I'm working on in the lock, and then I insert the crochet hook and I pull the hair through like that. And then I open it up. Now I'm going to double knot these loops just because they're a little loose. So I pull the braid and the lock through, and then I twist it and pull the braid and the lock through again just to make it a little tighter. And then I tighten it like that. So you have a little bigger knot now. And then I'm going to insert my crochet hook like this throughout the center of the lock, a few inches down, and then I'm going all the way to the top of the lock and pushing through, and then I'm inserting the crochet hook on the center or end of my braid, and then I'm pulling it through like that and twisting, pushing up and twisting just to make it tighter. And then I'm going to just do that step again. Alright guys, so it's the next day and I really like how the hair turned out. I think it's cute. I also like this color. And I have about 3 packs of hair left, so enough to do the style again if I'm doing the style this way. And I want to put this hair jewelry in. I would have done it last night, but I was tired, so I'm going to do it this morning. Okay, so I didn't use that much jewelry, just some of the gold ones. You can see that? I was a little indecisive on where I should put the jewelry and which ones I should use, so. But yeah, I think it looks fine. Not too much. I think it looks good. And I still have like these white beads and these brown beads left. I used the darker beads and these seashells. I didn't want to put the seashells in because I felt like it might scratch up the hair and make it frizzy. And I also still have these little white beads left as well. So you have plenty of beads and hair and jewelry to choose from, and you can also use your own. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me, and thanks for watching.